Hey, hello, welcome to FS with Srikanth. In a previous lecture, we discussed if and if else in depthly. In depthly we covered, and now we are going to discuss some of the examples, and parallelly we gonna discuss nested if else, nested if and nested if else. We are trying to finish in this lecture, right? The first we are going to what is if? If he checks the condition. And if the condition is true, it executes the block of statement. If the condition is false, it never do anything. And we are overcome with what is the problem in if? We are overcome with that problem with the help of if else. If else checks the condition. If the condition is true, it executes the if block, and if the condition is false, we are executing else block, right? So now we are going to discuss one of the important programs. So for examination point of view and knowledge point of view, these are most important, right? So in this program, suppose we are taking two variables, x and y variables, and we can compare x and y are equal, or which is the biggest number, or both are equal. So in that way we are going to execute. So here we are taking three if condition. Just observe three if condition. Three are different. This is a one if condition, this is another if condition, and this is another if condition. There is no perfect logic, right? But we are trying to make perfect execution, right? What is our goal? Just we check x and y values and we compare. It is a both are equal, either which is the biggest one, right or not? So first, in the first statement, what we are taking, the first printable statement will be evaluated. What happened? Enter x and y values. Enter x, y values, right or not? Suppose I am entering 10 and 20. I am entering 10 and 20. Just observe, the 10 is for x and y, 20 is for y. Means x value is stored as a 10 and y value is stored as a 20. First if block will be evaluated. First if block, right? It checks the condition. What is if? If x greater than y, x value is 10 and y value is 20. The condition is true or not? It's a condition is false. Condition is false. What if does? If the condition is false, it won't get anything, right? It is a false, so it never execute. Then the trigger is moved to here. The trigger is moved to here, and again check it condition. If x less than y, right or not? X value 10 and y value 20. The condition is true. Condition is true. It execute this statement. They execute this statement, true statement. And again it checks the condition. Actually, it checks the condition and it is already true. But again it's checking the condition. X and y values are both are equal or not. Maybe you can check that. So if x equal to y, x value is 10 and y value is 20. Both are not equal. Both are not equal, right or not? X value 10 and y value 20. And you consider that as per C language, the single equality is considered assigning. A value 10 means the 10 is stored here. Suppose 10 equal to 10. Otherwise A equal to 10 means it compares 10, 10 equal. A and 10 both are equal or not. That way it can check. You understood? So single equal in the sense, generally single equal in the sense assign, storing, and double equal in the sense comparison. Left side value and right side value, we are comparing both left hand side values. It's right. So here the totally how many if block statements are there? Totally we have 3 if block statements. It checks 3 blocks, right or not? Even second block is actually true. Even also it going to check third one, right? So suppose I am passing 20, 20, x value 20, y value 20. Again it checks here and checks here and checks here. It executes this one only. And just you observe, I am opening Turbo C. So I want to open XY. What is the program? This is our program. This is our program. Same program is there. So just we execute this statement, execute this one, compile, no error, and run. Same program. 10 I am passing 20. X is less than y, right? Same statement. And suppose I can execute again the same statement. 20, 20. Both x and y values are equal. You observe, it checks first, second, third. Internally the process will be going, and you observe everything. This is one of the program, one of the comparing two variables. The program is comparing two variables. And if in case you have any doubts, please put a comment, right? So now we are going to discuss one more example, and this is one of the most important and repeated programming in your examination. One of the most important program, very important program, right? So here, with the help of this one, the user entered character is vowel or consonant, right? With the help of user value, we can check that is a vowel or consonant. So first of all, we know that what are the vowels? Vowels in the sense the vowel A-E-I-O-U are vowel. A-E-I-O-U are vowels, and rest of all remaining 26 characters, rest of 21 characters consonant. Everyone knows this. So first one in this program, just you observe, we are using character data type. Enter any character. Suppose I am entering a character and the character will be stored in a ch. Ch stores your character A, right? So if we want to write the logic, how do we write the logic? When the user enter any, we are asking to user enter any characters, right or not? The totally user may enter number of characters. But in that we want to check that particular way. The logically we want to check that condition. How we can check the condition? User may enter small case letters and uppercase letters. Lowercase letters, either uppercase letters, he may enter small a, capital A, small e, capital E, and small I, capital I, small o, capital O, small u, capital U, right? So if in case he entered, the total how many alphabets? 26 characters. And if user may enter lowercase or uppercase means lowercase 26, suppose we consider uppercase 26, totally 56 characters, right or not? So in that we want to compare. If in case user enter character is small a, then we confirm that is a vowel. If in case user enter capital A, we confirm vowel, right or not? So in that way we are checking the condition. So how do we check the condition? If in case character A, small a is entered, otherwise capital A is entered, so in these two situation it is a vowel. Not only that, in the place of A he may write small e, otherwise capital E, either small I, capital I, small o, capital O, small u, and capital U. There is a chance are there, right? The totally 10 chances for vowel. 10 chances for vowel, right or not? So we write that condition only here. If the first condition, second condition, third, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So in this 10 condition, user may confirm. If any one is true, it is a condition is true. In the 10 condition, in a 10 expression, any one is true, it will be true. Otherwise false. How do we check the 10 conditions? With the help of logical OR. With the help of logical OR, we can confirm that the condition is true or false. What is mean by logical OR? When the all condition true, otherwise all condition false, it is a false. What is a logical OR? Logical OR. When all conditions all false, it will be false. All false, it will be false. Otherwise true. All false, it will be false. Like suppose condition true, it is a true. One true, another false, it is a true. One false, another true, it is a true. It is a true. And both are false, it is a false. Both are false, it is a false. The same way I applied here condition. First expression, there is a logical OR. The symbol is logical OR. Logical OR example, right? So if this condition is true, it execute this block of statement. It execute this block of statement. If user may enter rest of the characters, not only A, E, I, O, U, he may enter W, suppose. Then it check the condition. CH equaled W. Then it checks the condition. Anywhere it match. So it is not possible. This is wrong. This wrong. 10 times it is wrong, right? So automatically if is false. Then automatically trigger is jumped to this else block. Then it says you entered character is consonant. You entered character is consonant. So in this way we find out. You understood the logic. The first think this logic. First, vowel consonant total characters are 26. In that vowels are 5. And user may enter lowercase, otherwise uppercase, means 26 plus 26, totally 52. Means 20 in the vowels, lowercase vowels 5 and uppercase vowels another 5. Totally 10 vowels are occur. The rest of all are consonant. Rest of all are consonant. Just to observe. So when the user enter A, E, I, O, U, either alphabets lowercase letter, otherwise uppercase letters, you may consider both characters, right? User enter upper or lowercase, you can consider that are vowel or consonant. If the user enter these not vowels, then automatically we can confirm that is a consonant. Just to observe, we execute the same program. Here same program we place here. We place same program. Just same condition we place. This is a logical AND actually. This is a logical OR we are using here. Logical OR. Is right? Logical OR we are using. And please compile. No errors. And we are trying to execute this. Any characters you enter. Suppose I am entering capital E. What it says? You entered capital E character is vowel. Is right. Suppose you entered capital A. You entered capital A character is vowel. Next you entered execute. So capital Z small z I am trying to execute. You entered Z character is consonant. You observe this logic. We are using logical OR. Anyone is in a 10 possibilities, anyone it is match, then we confirm that condition is true. Otherwise, condition is false. The next program. So given year is your entered year is leap year or not. Already we discussed this program in a previous lecture, and I am skipping right now this. And whether given number is even or odd. Just we in a previous program just we confirm even only. So same program. Here you observe even or not. User entered value is even or not. The first we think about the logic. Suppose one person user may enter one number. We consider here number is n. So if in case he enter the number, when we are saving even and when we are saving odd, when the number is completely divides by 2, then we are getting 0. So automatically the remainder gets 0. Then we call it as that number is even. If in case we get, when we are dividing by 2, we are getting 1 as a remainder, we consider as odd, right? Same logic we observe. If n percentile 2 equal to 0 means, if suppose you enter 10 value, n value is 10. It divides 10 modulo division by 2 means 10 by 2, 2 1 ja, 2 5 ja. Remainder is 0. Remainder 0 means both are equal. Condition true. Remainder is 0. Overall the condition is true. The condition is true means it executes only one printable statement. If the condition is false, it is going to trigger this else block. Already I said curly braces. If in case your program containing only, if your conditional statement containing only one single executable statement, you don't want to use this curly braces. If in case your program may containing multiple statements, multiple printable statement, multiple executable statement, definitely you should use the block code. Curly brace is mandatory. So that is R. If in case your condition is, suppose you are entered 11 by 2, 2 1 ja 2, 2 5 ja 10, remainder is 1 remainder, then automatically you are getting 1 equal to 0, condition is false, automatically it will be goes to execute else block will be executed. Same program I am trying to execute here. Just observe, this is our program, same program. First we enter one logic, and we are not using here also, we are not using any curly braces. Enter, compare, no error. Enter any number 23. What happens? 23 is odd. Same way again I am executing 22 even number, right? Suppose I want to curly braces I place here. same, nothing. We just we added curly braces and so enter 23 E23, nothing. There is no issues are there in this program. So everything clear, I think. If you have any doubts, please put a comment, right? Next we are going to discuss one more program. So here before that, suppose some situations in the previous program, in this program, just you observe, in this program we place if separately, and if three ifs are different, but now we are going to enter nested if. Suppose there is a one if block is there, it checks the condition, right? It checks the condition and execute the block of statement. Within the if we can write another one more if block, right? You understood my explanation. If condition, it execute block of statements. Everyone knows, right? So suppose in this, if the condition is true, again you check the condition within the if block, again you write one more condition, right? One condition, again this if condition, again you write one more if condition. So this way we can write number of conditions, means one if condition may support another if condition, right? That internal inside if condition again supports another if condition. So this way we can write nested if. The conditional statement supports nested is support. Within the one block may support another block, one block may support another block. Within the block another, we can write one more conditional statements, right? Just observe here we are trying to evaluate two numbers are, which one is a big and which one is small. We compare a comma b, two numbers, we compare a and b, like which one is a bigger, right? First one, this is a logic, up to here we are collecting the values. Enter input the value of a, means enter any value. Suppose you enter 10, the 10 will be going to store in a. Suppose input the value of b, like 20, the 20 will be saves in b, like a value 10 and b value 20. Here a value 10 and b value 20, right? So totally here we are collecting two values, right? A and b. Now I want to write the condition. How we can write the condition? In a previous program we write if a less than b, and again if a greater than b and a less than b, and if a equal b. If in case this condition is true, a is bigger, this condition is true, b is bigger, and this condition true, both are true. But we are trying to evaluate logic. We need to place perfect logic. This is not a logic, right? We want to write the condition. First one, if we can check both are equal or not. First, initially we want to find out both are equal or not. So a equal to b or not, we want to check a equal to b or not. For that I am using if a not equal to b. If a not equal to b means this is a if block and else block. Just to observe, this is a else block. A not equal to b in the sense, when you enter 10, 20, suppose 10, 20 you entered, right? This a and b are not equal, then you perform some action here. Suppose these both are different, you can perform this, but both are 0. Suppose 10, 10 you enter, 10, 10 means this condition is false. What you are saying, both are not equal. Here the condition is not equal. 10, 20 not equal, so it is a true. But when we are enter 10, 10, condition is false. Why? Because we are placing not equal, but you are enter equal value. Then the trigger is moved to directly else. Both are equal will be evaluated. Both are equal, right? First, initially only we confirm both are equal or not. User may execute condition. He may enter maybe both values are similar. So initial stage only we find out both are same or different. If in case same, directly you jump to else block. If in case both are different, you can check that. So here this is a not equal to b. If in case a not equal to b, what happens? If in case both are different, you perform this. Both are equal, directly jump to this else block. Next one, if in case both are different, then you check that both are not equal, means first you confirm printf both are a and a is not equal to b, both are different numbers, we confirm that. Then inside the if block we write one more condition, a greater than b, a greater than b, 10 20, again we confirm condition false. Again else block is automatically we writing a greater than b, means else block we don't know, remind one is a less than b, the automatically a is here condition false, so automatically here b is true, b is the biggest number. You understood this logic? A not equal to b, first we compare a or b, a and b are equal or not. If in case a and b are equal, jump to else block. If in case a and b are not equal, we confirm that, and again you check this condition, if a greater than 0 or not, 10 20, a value 10, b value 20, condition is again false, this is a false, this if triggers to this else block, true, sorry false, it is a false, then automatically b is greater than a, that will be, we confirm here. So same program here we writing, same program you observe, same, a not equal to 0, if in case a not equal to 0, logic you observe, this is a if block. First it checks the condition, if the condition both are equal or not, first check the condition, both are different numbers, then it will perform this logic. Within the if, one more if is there, both are not equal, then it perform, both are equal, directly else block will be executed. Just you compare, compile, no error, and execute, run. Suppose enter value of a, suppose I am entering 12, b value 33, automatically a is not equal to b and b is greater than a, very simple. Okay, suppose I am trying to execute 33 and again 33, then both a and b are equal statement, right? So this way we find out. Suppose, right, this is enough. So basic example, and in the next class most important programs are there, the finding biggest number from the given 4 numbers, and we are trying to print the student result. Both are most important programs in the coming lectures, right? Thank you so much, have a nice day.